Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your computer run faster and smoother in three basic steps. The first step is that you go to your start menu, then type run, click on the run, then type in a percent, then click OK. When you click OK, you have this. These are the files that your computer doesn't need and they occupy the space in your system, making it to slow down your system. So what you do is that you delete all these files. Either you press Ctrl A on your keyboard to highlight it, or you click on Select All to select it. Then you click on Delete. Don't worry about deleting anything that is important in your system, because the computer will not allow you to do that. Then you click on Yes. You click on Skip. Click on Try Again. Click on Skip. As you can see, all the files that is your computer is not needed and is occupying your space and making it your computer to slow down has been deleted. So the next step after this is what we are going to do now. The second step, the second step that we are going to do in the process of cleaning up our computer is just go back to the start menu, type in run. This time you type in prefetch. Click OK. Again, these are the files that your computer does not need and is occupying the space in your hard disk, making it to slow down. Either you click it to select all, or you press Ctrl A on your keyboard, then you click on delete. Again, don't worry about deleting anything that is important or useful in your system, because the computer will not let you do that. Click on yes. You can see everything is gone. Then the last and the final step is for you to go back to the start menu again. This time you type this screen up. Then you click on this screen up. And as you can see, the screen up is calculating the space that they will clean up in your disk. After the calculation, you can see these are the files that your computer does not need and is occupying the space on your hard disk, making your system to slow down. You click on OK. and click on delete files. Don't worry about deleting anything that is useful in your system because your computer will not let you do that. Click on delete files. From now you can see that your system will be run more faster and smoother. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click that like button for notification. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. See, I'll come your way next time. Bye.